Explanation: we live in a community. Man likes the company of others. We like to share our joys and sorrows with others. Even we like living with our pets, dog, cat, etc. We miss them if we can't see them for a long time. We like the company of other people. We live with our parents so we feel secure. We help each other. There are so many daily needs which are fulfilled in a community. One person cannot produce everything. Neither can give all sources. To satisfy all the needs, we look around other people to fulfill it. We buy grains, pulses from grocery shop. We get these essential needs from farmers. We need doctor, hospital when we are ill. For education, we need educational institutes. Thus we are dependent upon each other. We have to follow the community rules for smooth running. For day-to-day affairs, everybody has to follow certain rules. Rules bring discipline to the community life. Everyone wants to stay together happily and peacefully.